G'day, g'day. Today we're going to be looking at lead magnets and how we can use ChatGPT to help us create them. Lead magnets are essentially something that we offer as a freebie to people, whether you are in blogging, you've got a YouTube channel, you've got a social media account. There are many different ways you can use lead magnets. Essentially all you're doing is you're offering a free product, generally some type of downloadable guide, in exchange for a person's email address. So you've got ebooks, checklists, webinars. That's a little bit next level, but they work great if you want to take it that far. Quizzes, templates, cheat sheets, free trials, resource libraries. That's not a bad one for the AI world. A library of 1,000 best prompts for ChatGPT. That's just given me a pretty good idea actually for one. And worksheets, just anything that offers some value to the user. So for example, here is a lead magnet on a website I run. Smoking Meat for Beginners, free ebook. They need to come in here and enter their details. Click the privacy policy and download. So what happens when they do this is I capture their email address. That goes into a software system. I personally use GetResponse for this one. And they become part of my email sequence. So I don't know, I've probably got 50 or 60 emails there. And as soon as someone signs up, they get that guide sent to them. A couple of days later, they will get, all different bits and pieces when it comes to smoking meat. That's one of the niches I am in. So that was an example of my lead magnet. It's just an ebook. But let's see here. Let's ask Chat. Oh, it's opened up Canvas automatically. That's great. Hi, Chat. I am wanting to create do and don't guide lead magnet. Geez, good English. I want the focus of this lead magnet to be a list of do's and don'ts when it comes to making amazing high converting lead magnets. Also add a brief intro on why lead magnets are such a powerful form of marketing. So pretty much that took seconds. Why are they so powerful? Most powerful tools in digital marketing today, they provide instant value to potential customers while allowing you to build your email list effectively. So here is a pretty simple list. Know your audience, correct. Provide real value, correct. Keep it simple. Catchy title, all the general things. So this lead magnet will be a bit odd because it is discussing lead magnets, but let's try something a little bit different. Generate a list of 5 unique lead magnet ideas for what industry are you going to be? Lawn mowing. I didn't factor this in. Canvas will be stuck with our... Okay. That's one problem with Canvas. Let's turn that off. We don't need that unless we were editing. Canvas I still absolutely love, but it's not needed unless we are editing articles. So, lawn mowing maintenance checklist. That's a great one. Although, what have you got? A air filter, spark plug, fuel tank blades. All the essential tasks to keep your lawnmower in top shape. So that's, anyone that mows their lawns, they would be interested in downloading that. Choosing the right mower. A schedule calculator. When your grass is getting long, Best, okay. I do often see lawns that look insanely good and they've got the different patterns through the lawn, different shapes. One, I don't know how they do it, but people are into that, so that's not a bad one. fuel efficiency tips, yeah, whatever. So there you go. It's giving you 5 ideas. You could then take this. Can you please create a lead magnet about so something as simple as a checklist. Monthly maintenance, so what was that, weekly? Check the oil, clean the air filter. Yeah, so there you go, that's not too bad at all. And obviously you could expand on that, add a little bit more information, but just as a checklist, that has really done all we needed to do. So I do have a few different types of lead magnets that prompts that I use. What are the top 3 pain points for men that have to maintain a swimming pool at home? So this will give us a few ideas. So pain points is something that definitely helps draw engagement or drive engagement. People see the pain point and they think, yes, I want to overcome this. I'm going to click this link. Balancing pool chemicals, for me, definitely one. So from here, we could take this. Can you please create a lead magnet that addresses this point and help the reader overcome this pain point. So now what this should do is create something that's going to address the pain point and help the user to resolve it. Obviously I won't go through all this because over 50% of people don't have a pool, but you can see here, understanding pool chemicals, the basics, testing pool water, balancing chemicals. So there you have it. There are multiple different ways to go about it. You can then convert if you wanted to. Can you please convert this into a ebook? So now you could have a ebook for testing pool water. What's the title going to be? Pool Chemical Guide for Beginners. Hey, that would actually be an unreal ebook. Just drop my whole name there. Why not? It's in the memory. A great feature. So there you go. It's actually pretty straightforward. If you're making an ebook, you'd obviously expand on this a bit, but for an ebook, all you need to do is then go, can you create a PDF for this so I can save it and upload it to my website. Matt Barrel is an experienced pool owner and barbecue enthusiast. Fair enough. Got me covered. Can you create a PDF for this so I can save it and upload it to my website? Analyzing. So now what I would do, once it's done, I would go to my website. You will need some type of website to be able to obviously upload your lead magnet to. Even just a landing page, somewhere where the user can go and you can set up a lead form. So the lead form is what I showed you before, where you've got to input your name, your email address, privacy policy. I don't know why that's not the best looking thing in the world. But yeah, so this is your lead form. So you do need some web page where people can go and actually go to a landing page. Let's just call it a landing page. So I won't show you that part. Obviously, that's got nothing to do with, well, it does have something to do with it, but that's a whole other lesson in itself that I don't do because I focus on just the AI side of things. If you do want a video on it, feel free to let me know, and if I get enough people asking, I will happily help out. Why are we still analyzing? Oh, geez. Is it slow today, or is it just me? Python. But there you have it. So, oh, okay, there we go. So, we do have... We've have it saved as a PDF. Obviously, this is where I'd open this in Canvas. Before downloading it as a PDF, I would just make these titles and chapters a H3 or a slightly bigger font. But yeah, so there you have it, a very simple ebook. Get an image, chuck an image up here, another one in here somewhere, and you would be up and going with your first lead magnet. So we'll leave it at that for this afternoon. Down in the comments below, I will have my personal lead magnet for this video, so you can go download it and see what I do. I will also include 10 of my most used prompts when it comes to lead magnets. Alright guys, have a good one. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.